Natural language processing, NLP, is a subfield of that deals with the interaction between computers and human languages. NLP involves a variety of techniques, including computational linguistics and statistical modeling. In NLP, the process of breaking a sentence into individual words is called. NLP techniques are used in various applications such as speech recognition, language translation, sentiment analysis, and is the act of collecting information manually from a data source. What is the main goal of reinforcement learning in AI? Which learning paradigm is closely associated with reinforcement learning? In reinforcement learning, what is an agent? What role does the reward signal play in reinforcement learning? What is an example of an environment in the context of reinforcement learning? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.